Hello my friends, in today's video I'm excited to show you something unique, a transparent flexible PCB. Yes, this PCB is completely see-through. It's thin, bendable and incredibly lightweight. It feels almost like a plastic sheet, but it's fully functional. For this project I choose to build a NeoPixel LED controller on a Transparent Flex PCB. The combination of advanced electronics with such a futuristic look is just amazing. I got this board fully assembled from JLCPCB. They handled everything from PCB fabrication to SMT assembly. Not only do they offer standard and advanced PCBs, but they also support Transparent Flex PCBs, which is quite rare at this price point. JLCPCB has been one of the most trusted manufacturers in the maker community. They offer standard flex and rigid flex PCBs, up to 32-layer board capabilities, full PCB assembly service, SMT stencils, 3D printing, CNC machining, and even PCB layout services. And the best part, most prototype PCB orders start at just $2. To order this board, I simply uploaded my Gerber file, selected flex as the base material and chose transparent as the substrate. For component assembly, I enabled PCB assembly, uploaded my BOM and CPL files, and that's it. With smooth ordering process, with a few days the PCBs arrived perfectly assembled. Now let's talk about what this transparent NeoPixel controller can do. It uses the ESP12F Wi-Fi module, dual LED outputs. You can control two separate LED strips, web UI support for brightness, speed and pattern switching. It reads LED animation data directly from an SD card. You can also perform OTA firmware updates wirelessly. It's compact, easy to use and perfect for advanced lighting effects. I will be releasing a full video dedicated to this controller soon with all wiring details, code explanations and customization tips. A big thanks to JLCPCB for sponsoring this project and making such advanced technology assembled to makers like us. Check the description for the link to JLCPCB and all files related to this project. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more creative projects and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.